So with this forked stick, what you want to do is jab it in at the base of the stems by the root of the poison ivy. You follow it down to the root and then kind of stick it in the dirt. Just kind of jab it in there and pry it around and then start twisting it. You twist it around. Yeah, you want to. It's like you want to get it wrapped around the axle. Now, poison ivy roots are very strong, which makes them hard to pull out if you're pulling out by hand. But the benefit of that of using this when you're using the stick is that it won't break and it'll just keep wrapping around the axle until you finally get it all pulled out. Okay, so get in there and just start. Try to get a good set. There you go. So then, there you go.
Down.
Okay.
Really down with it.
Really down with that. And with the stick, you get a lot of leverage. Not only do you get a lot of leverage, but you are reeling the whole thing in at the same time. So it's not just, you're not just pulling it out and it's spreading out all over the place. It's getting compacted and, contained around your twist stick while you're doing this. So it makes disposal really easy, and you're not just getting runners just spreading out all over the place like an octopus. So this is really a great method that I was able to innovate.
So it's just like, for example, if you have gas and it has a bunch of tentacles.
That's right, yeah. It's like a Minecraft mod gas with a lot of tentacles, but you're wrapping all the tentacles together so they're not spreading out.
Gas.
Look at that, that's beautiful. It's getting all wrapped around the axle there. Okay, perfect. Look at that. Wait, just hold it up for a second. Let's take a look at this. Look at this. So this whole poison ivy runner vine is just completely pulled out, wrapped around the axle. Now you can just scrape this off and leave it here, and you can also just and you just leave your stick here to decompose because it's completely biodegradable. So this whole thing is you're not only using mechanical leverage to your advantage, but you also have a zero waste tool. And I always make these out of invasive plants like Japanese Privet, for example. So you're also getting rid of invasives at the same time. So it's really just a win-win-win just all across the board.